Welcome to Black Cat Productions here. We got a 2012 Kia Sorento. This one's an SX V6. No start problem. Gave me a crankshaft position code. Looked everywhere online, couldn't find it. Here we go. Here's the new part. It is a Kia part. It was about $120. Now locating it's the fun part. Couldn't find anywhere online. Dealership wants $250 to do it. Make it real easy for you. Here's the part. 110mm bolt holds it in. One clip. Take out the airbox and the battery tray. Gonna be a bunch of 13s, 10s. You'll take the air duct out, battery tray, and the airbox. I just got the airbox sitting off to the side. Here's the location. So now here's the motor. Come in right here on the transmission housing. We're going to see a sensor right there. This crankshaft position sensor. 110mm bolt. Tighten it down. New plug back on, a new sensor. Put it all back together. Clear the engine code. Actually, it should be cleared. The battery's disconnected. Should start up no problem. Hope I helped somebody.